Hey guys, welcome back to another helpful video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to schedule a message in Slack. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to schedule a message into Slack, you just simply have to open your Slack application at first, and after opening the Slack application, just simply select any of the channels or chat where you want to send messages. I'm selecting this random channel and then open this message section and write down your message into here, and then you just simply have to tap a while into this send button, and then it will show you the option to schedule a message. You can choose the given time or custom time from here. Just simply choose any of the suitable option for you. I'm choosing the custom time, and from here you can customize your time. Then after that, just simply click into this schedule message option and your message will successfully be scheduled into Slack. By following these very easy steps, you can easily schedule a message into your Slack. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.